after Brother Sammy, we'll be touching on a very, very, very salient topic. In fact, my guest will be doing justice to it. We're looking at evolution of music, then and now. What has been the changes? What has been the additions and the subtractions from our music, the way we do it, and we'll also be looking at it from the consumer's perspective or from the consumer's point of view. And when we review Brother Sammy's video, you can send your comments via video. So you record 30 seconds or less video of yourself giving us your comments on Boza's video, Brother Sammy's Boza video. So you can check it out. We'll be dropping it pretty soon. And you can send it to 055-7190888. 055-7190888. Very controversial man. Brother Sammy, Aquama. So swaggy tight. I mean, when I hear gospel artist, me, I see you to be unorthodox.
All the meaning of unorthodox.
I say, we are Myanmar. Your name said gospel artists or people who follow, God or Christ staunchly the way they behave. You don't behave like that. You are hippie, who come on chain hands in Myanmar, what's swaggy up, food. And even when you speak, the kind of things you talk about.
A Christopher, anyway, say, it's a good, you want a boy. Save a one boy.
Oh no.
Tiana was you used to know you as a phone. Yeah. Then I was a chillamo use.
Yes, I know I is a hip hop artist.
Hip hop for a new multi-penny. Yeah, 2 young couple. Hip hop for the say young colano. Then you didn't my baby. I say, okay, multi-million.
What can say
now? Now, Christopher, dinner flowers, only a video. Yenya tokuri bi mani ase dabi
obi porch mu a
enne wo say akrisofo ni ehu se nyame asesa ne emem to se tete no uboduku ana wo ye ho mobrofo a ne se wo ye kristo ni but enne wo say agidi fo hu se our God bless na twedom but dem kan atwedom aba kristo na tambia kristo ni yesi no firi nyame de se nyame no wo say gya na chidi
wo basically no wo say dia nyame ayama ono fachre
de nyamia yama ye kase ye kan adaaje e beboy adamba me de bibi che be ba ben je na obusa me chen asem na me che say yi gold sika na dwete aye urade dia me ba ze me fa ha che na obusa de na me dia
o ka wo be bi se una odi brodo any nkate brodo e de nkate ti na odi ba
yeah sure
eno e sha se fi
you ze me brodo ndem da toy ena katia so me betoy so what dem to na se tetero bi for brodo a onim so bete magiri na haide
adiafem
obi so fan katia ya mo ida so de kofufu to ana ze o de koye nkate nkwan but you de brodo ni pan no ne nkatia ya mko gina akwan ma dipa hu se de ba market de
Eyewa.
Ebia no bia di bi da fine. Bi na wo di bi dan de no ha me. But wo di ba market. Se obeti mate. Bro, kati ayema yemu aton de. Stay my goddess.
Aden na wo ton brodo ni nkati.
Ana me ton brodo ni nkati.
Ye ben no. Ni
wa che me
ayewo wa de. Until before you no na amanfo ndi brodo ni nkati.
O na amanfo di ba de wo di ba market ma ehu se.
Una wo ya na popular na.
Correct. Afa na wa chere bro for na se.
Then now yeah, like now to now to tell
Brother Sammy.
Me also want them say brother.
Enti no sa akole ni emfema.
Oh, who said your man and man who said ebia no obi di bia and fine. But odi be gina akwan ho ton ye.
Yeah.
My who say e say utimi te. Kati I am the yebrodo. And
one out the buy. But Brother Sammy again, didn't say who can't with fellow gospel artists once a man. Won't to power me zeal, never my out the canon.
One of my can.
It is a Cecelia marfo, as I say.
Oh, it is a marfo, as they said, my carry. Men are ben, my men or barbo bomasu. Or barbo masumunsia. Man Kasama Monibi. Man Tubru, Obia di Madansi. But yet, me na ya bomeno. Me and ye say di me amatem.
And no, I won't ask him.
Oh, oh say my money be do cause me can be billionaire say dey my money be because my money be mpo dey dey me people be dey as am me show them can we jail
say or the nyame honhom any direction no the ball
okay obo mo nam so me dey nyame honhom any direction the ball na unim say the ntia my money be no
right
na me kan ko me say ho enipa gu ho ana ho ye nyame fi ana ye na ode aye be ball enipa be gu ho ti se be obo mo nam so me ball obi kura be Christopher na mo yesi next time mo ye program mo member ti na wo se me ye din ya ja na akokora me ye din na me ko me fi ade achia me amagi asotro nsia ye to nteso agu masoma amado aja
wo to wa no ebo wasoma na what does that mean
tese program na se me kura me wo mampon no wo frɛ me same woduru hin same woduru nam di mirika me duru ya me wo se nyumtini ba ko ma na la me pese me bɔ ne din bi ama na la sisi waba
nyumtini ben no
me pese me bodi
Ernesto Pokuana
me pese me bodi o
Ernesto okay
me pese me sisi waba manfa nyanse because maba ti ye de me ye man baby tina ya me won se sisi e be hwi mic e free MC nsem ko ma MC ne kura introduce no na wa jump free ayi no so abesi fo popete no so no ba me su street wo he oba tenten say jata be na ma ye tietia no be no atiem Sammy mic no so jigum ti oka Sammy abo se na akona bi effect na me
or the echo atum
tese me hu de me nyame ho say ulade Sammy me another one Sammy me de to so tre Sammy ye adwuma ni na me gina ho no ba me su chuo boy ti first na me to no me pe cross or dey tu ekom
yeah
no wa ba teaching no
what teaching no
e wo nipa ye adwuma ni e no de chain na gu fom oh nipa more than 10,000 no de so gu
change so
me de o de duro ba ha untimi mi o na me sunsun I want to start to say ye bo me dimbo ne cause we say office sira mafu duku enen tuma wo fra o kase ya wana sa na kristo som na ye pe so sum nyame a o ye ohon moboloni ni kwankwa say perfume kura de bi go de gu ho wa ya bone tete no nyumtuni bi ena me call Angel FM na o chia me kofi wo se nyumtuni bi o yo ba o say agency bo gospel e be si ne kristo fo kan ya mo antimi ama out bi wa modi ntimi antimi ava ntimi ene se bia obaye ohun duku ni ade na chese wufiri nyame ho obi a shatale asi ne na ase ato a watwa ato obi so ma ne dajere so enti what teaching no ode ayi gu so me de ode eduro ba ya wontimi me
eduro bi anka dem
ya so dem on
en Kumasi sports stadium na so dem aso dem ko nipa ebu no ode eduro ba ya wontimi afi na me na ko Kumasi ase e wo so ma me ya kele me no sa kwa ba Sammy ye adwuma nye ne dem so ko ai everybody ne dey asemi no sa kwa ba Sammy
play one na
David Cecelia man for play metro lady ogina so be dey na how otimi sim na maso an isi bisi Yesu nti everybody jeme na ma yedi
sa sisters
na dey to so fifth dey man ne hwe na me manager so me mu dey man ne hwe na so no tinte so because no oso Mike obo Sammy bia no ko otimi to ahoro ye wa ahoro ne wonto mo fa ntame bia no obi di oto ahoro yelo ni bi oto ni tinti se na ememe ko ko ahoro no wa be to wanu mu no wona odom na ba oso je wodom no no atu ni sei
twen o e mistake na ma ni bi ana wa organizing no to search
na mistake ye tinti so gu asole dem mistake watu akoni pene so otu ogu njen nipa ni gu sei ni wotu ni sei e cost na manfo ma bi piti bitu gu bi there was that a tall man bi anum ma bi otimi so awrate that am na me ho pusi ti o sa ba me so no o so mi se pese me tofo otu ntoso titi na ma de me manager na so me mu se de be ya me ntofo
won tofo na otu ntoso egu ho
o ko ba tu agu manum
o tu agu wanum
enti also me na many dey so me to o tinani ahwede de enti ame to form no to he na many dey na da many dey na so
obo manager
cheni mu na de wo de na so kwasia mpanyini sikoli na style obesi e frame be strategic wise style obede be bo aso obi a pope kra wo fi obesa kan bia masisira mafo because odi sunsun obo waso obo na ton so ba makalindiri masum Sammy ya juma nye dem kukalibini o jare
one funny easy
bra de ya me ya ma wele ho ne se ma money bi o no obi ani se Sammy de yesi wo nyo we because me hu se nipa na wo no me boni bi pe obi akura na gospel program ma
the 6 times the brother Sammy so
bemba wonya anka obeboni wonya anka obeboni
anka menya obi se mi nkunan dia
anka obo no bi
because obowa osunsun nyina free omu
ante ma na
waboto like emma obi kura se emma otirim se
because so
tese
na daisy
a daisy
eh no na so more day
me di 1 month ansa na me hu se mabani party bi
no he was traumatized
me di 1 month timpa boni asofo bi mpa bon kakra
enti to Joyce Blessing or hwe Mike no fi Joyce Blessing sem did you feel
vindicated say Ewurade oje Joyce no that day no anyeme because some hear Joyce video
dey boni ansa o ba
o Joyce video na obo no ko twina ko am se monye ma hwe video
obo
anko diti na ye no obi na ati ko twina na ko nya de ni du Sodom and Gomorrah wa
ko ba bobo na
ko ba hwina ku
Ewurade there be obi a also yes of opinion yate ase enti enipem na okodi a wane sem tenya me se ko there be yenye ne sa
wo nti ase yes
there be so bi o yes of opinion bi o person kan wale ebom bia no omo obi kura anti bi enye nipanim na ankoka no ye program bi boy bi to ni wa akra obo hu ne fe no Paul Amantem wagina ne tiri wi ti se safana pani Cecelia mafo to ni na ka boy na comment ko so seed won na ase odi sika ne to sisi na ase a opeja ne tiahu de na Cecelia mafo yi scissors apaso ya me madansi ni odi si ni tiri
otwitwa ne ti goyi
botton so yi tiri ni no
odi na scissors ne sha ne ho da na
yes boy ni tiri
two sleep go mami scissors
like seriously
odi ya buse obi ya ha okra yes boy ni tiri bu bot na tons obebo no obe kan bia mesisi of post spiritual tons
nti no eno sa no wo hu no so e fake ana
me dey mean timi kan che bet sabio waja anyu ya wako ise wakote asore o ye gospel fu ise why na beto nyom se waja ye dwuma ya kote asore na wo ye ise nte se me nipa nyi ye ni o waja ikonoti ho amo na ento nyom no ye nye masa
bada Sammy ye nko boza video no so boza video no o release ye be 1 week ni kwase
oh yes wa dawo ma
yes wa dawo ma one drama
me release bi e fa no PUBG
yeah okay
I feel no so apie kumase
high budget video ana why are they all right let's watch the video boza video brother Sammy and right after that you can send me your remarks on the video through video send it to WhatsApp record yourself selfie video or something 05571908888 05571908888 send it to WhatsApp and we'll play it for you live on TV. So let's take the video now. Boza, brother Sammy, let's check it out. I love what I saw in there, the dances, the moves, the Boza moves and all. We'll touch on the song, we'll watch the video again, and then we, deliberate on the video as well. Kwesi Ernest?
Yes, boss.
Gospel guru. Boza nyom no.
Well, I think that I will discuss the audio first.
Yes, the audio first. Yes.
Discuss the audio.
Yes, the audio.
Okay, I think that first of all, I must commend Sammy for reviving, coming up with the material.
Right.
But personally, I am judging Brother Sammy based on him, on his professionalism, based on how he does the things as an artist. First of all, I am not too comfortable with the recording, the audio.
Okay.
That's one. First of all, I'm not too comfortable with the recording because the programming for me looks a bit demo in my liking.
Okay.
Looks a bit demo, and even his vocal delivery in the song is not the usual Brother Sammy that we know. Obia wati Brother Sammy nyumbia from day one Brother Sammy by biano. So uti enyumo ya, you could see say this is not the best performance of Brother Sammy.
Okay.
In terms of on one kasa kwan of fasu etonyum, ye husu atonyum na that the drone kadem other songs are why mrane nyuma otuto all those songs. If you listen to this particular audio, the studio, the vocal delivery in terms of the composition of song, I think there was Brother Sammy didn't do too well. When to me I need justice to the song as a professional person.
Okay.
Number two, the composition of the song. For me, Brother Sammy being a songwriter, I mean, could have positioned the song in a much more stronger kind of the message, the content. I'm talking about the content.
The content, yeah.
Nanka brabe to me adan dan enyum ni kakra. Enyum a bit light. The content in some or two women.
Right.
It was a bit light, and maybe also quite recently in some one more can. Yeah, it be a diagro, it be a drone cadem, winner cadem. So usually or tron say be a bosano, a catchphrase, a catchphrase. Neither, but I believe sir, as a songwriter, a do baby, you need to look at your craft, your profession. Kwanya bet ma faswa because I know it's difficult. You see the cry and do baby. Until what is pushing you is your craft. Right. And I'm judging him based on himself as what
you've known
exactly.
About him.
Brother Sammy, I mean, a personal or a good, one of the finest vocal persons that we have, one of the best songwriters we have in Ghana. But on this one,
he didn't cut or he didn't do it for you.
The song went below my expectation.
Right, Arnold.
Yeah. Well, Christian has a point, but you see. The last time Famia was here, and when we reviewed her song, we talked about the fact that it was not a quintessential Famia.
Right.
It was known for those poignant songs, with regard to the lyrics and all. Sometimes artists do feel good music.
Yeah.
And so when you expect them to be very critical when it comes to their songwriting skills, their technical proficiency when it comes to their messaging and all the song and all, you will not get it. They just want to do their song because of a certain trend, or they just want to produce a feel-good music and just let it just go. Another typical example is Medical.
Right.
Highly proficient when it comes to his songwriting skills, but he's been able to produce songs that are
feel-good songs,
yeah. Lightweight. And so I would want to give him the benefit of the doubt and say, you know, a person for the digital money, and you be a bit sassy and no attract, you know, we Matthew chapter 4 verse 3 womb, you know, no. And so that's anything that goes as some light well.
It capitalized on the term.
Obiabe related to. That's how I say it. But when he said it, say back typical say on trans and on show. Yeah, be move pan, yeah, be a spirit for there, you get it.
And also, yeah.
But ABR in me myself, and I'm thinking it's okay. In BBR, a man for being vibrant with, you know, they should flow with it and they just move along with it. That's how I say it. Right.
So we'll take the video again, and you can still continue to send your views about the video to 055-7190-888. 055-7190-888. Boza video once more, and then we'll deliberate on the video. Let's talk about it. You can still send your comments 055-7190-888. 055-7190-888. But before we go on to talk about the video, brother Sammy, the Omokafa audio no saying.
Oh, one say ja in the scribe my basso said Bassi and children worship or back come
we are killer.
Oh no, I'm saying the whole West Africa. Now only once I saw them you will worship and you will praises.
Right.
In their album there was some Marco 10.
Okay.
8 in your worship. I'm say worship song in the moment me. and I mean the D and you was normally Ghana for no yeah so near choreography bia this is Nigeria for no mun ya bo near the ade intini me bo we na wula so de mama say bibia this e kofa Nigeria so mo ya agi ani mo obi wa won ti ase e album also 10 worship ne nko obi be na afi Sammy de wa ma worship there bi album title na nka say nkadaji e be bo me ka say ye kan de nyame aya nkadaji e be bo
a dozen
e ka say ye kan de nyame aya yentimi nkan wi na ade ase enti album na mga ankasa de eno ye worship
nkadaji e be bo
me
o chance kura be man ko mo bi
nkadaji e be bo me e ko si mu etime ko si
entino mo se mo 20 no ya plenty go e kura
entino wa fa na so pem
enti ma fa na so enti like the bomber enyum bi wa boy ma nyame fie ye de ye choreography bi obi ye we de to party
ya to afem
ya de agigi members nani nyetem bia na this ye ko fa Nigeria no asori bi kuro ha ye we de ni refreshment this ye no ye ko boss secular music ti me ye nyawe bi su wo gospel
until what plan manual way.
Sure,
exactly. Okay, now we can talk about the video. I know that's a bit. Let me take your thoughts first.
This is a typical Kumewood video. Typical Kumewood video. Yes, Kumerica video. And to me, I was not surprised. I saw the cameo appearances from most of the Kumewood stars.
Yeah.
Video no a low budget video. Low budget.
Even before we saw the
low budget crowd. And it's more like a showcase.
Yes.
Sammy was showcasing his fashion sense. No Pabuano crowd, no perceiving Pabuano of Shadow. Showcasing the house. It could have been better. Could have been way better. What even freaked me out was the green smoke navy green car in the mobile. I'm not
I nearly asked him why the car didn't come back.
It be weed or what is this? Wow. But Charlie, I mean, like I said, it could have been way better. But no, like I said, for choreography kind of
good music.
To we share more video in just having fun.
Just having fun. Sammy cry red couple.
Exactly. Friends, some would gather, some show, some jam. So
it's okay. It's an okay video. It's a pass. We let it pass.
But Sammy, we need some fun. Where are the video we part? They are not there. For my hood pay, me who say na pay be stage. I thought never say one of those Kumewood movie soundtrack. Never say a major track.
I mean, I think we will show the stats. It's garnered about 32,000 views.
Yeah.
You know, on YouTube so
far. Me who upon me who say no more boy. One movie no wire soundtrack. It's the video started actually well.
Right.
The video not started well. Say, I was expecting something at least, but it ended up becoming like Brother Sammy personal documentary. Me damn me one year, me car me 1 year. Now we see if you can move any. Smoke. I think the pipe smoke like into the car. I'm pumping gum. So we don't cap na make it then the
the concept to the Grammy concept.
Lemon day.
Alright. You don't see where you take the dollars.
You take the dollars they make call. The one the pool stands in the video, man.
Oh my God.
Right. Very interesting one. So I think okay for you two, Anna. Yes. So director, if we can take some of the comments that people have sent in. Let's play the video. Let's all get to enjoy what people are thinking about.
Now worship media.
Focus on answer. Because after Sutrobono,
video
this is outcome. They buy me.
They be worship on the buy.
After your boss to win a buy.
Worship. Brother Sammy, we no channel Kumasi.
Yeah.
But budget no wait me my budget.
Scam di try.
Scam di try. Range. No sano. Intimi. Director ni G. Wow concept ana.
Ono ani ba pep. No ani ba pep di try. Pep ni ba ono adi na e 35.
It's well feel.
Oh, that's the location there.
They want to try it, but on one about Pepsi. What
concept? No, say wow
concept.
Now club needs for no one to become a soccer.
Okay. Messages. So, brother, you see me, please tell Brother Sammy that he's not making any sense telling us that because he wants people to be happy in the church, so he will give us poor audio. Whoa, really? Okay. And good evening to you all in the studio and all viewers. My name is Pami, and I don't think Brother Sammy has done well, because the Brother Sammy we all know.
No, he said brother. He thinks Brother Sammy.
Okay, I think Brother Sammy has done well, because the Brother Sammy we all know with his sounds in his songs, and what I've seen today, he deserves an applause. Okay, hey Charlie.
Seriously.
Raboni Asamankesi says, I'm really happy to see my schoolmate at Kose Kwame Dazi with his wonderful submissions on issues. Jehovah bless you. And he says, Raboni. Okay, so I've taken that one. Messages in the Abano mobile. Okay, so please, can you help me with a manager? I'm a good rapper. Okay. Brother Sammy, big man. Hello, big man. I'm Shatta, the guy who does the can-do speech. I think there are no proper structures in the Ghana music industry, because the kind of songs I hear these days on TV, most of the artists don't even know anything about music and marketing. They just want to do music for music's sake. And then film actors are now doing music, sitting on us, the upcoming artists. Okay, so let me... Hey. Okay, so let me move on to this one. It says, Sly from La Paz, good evening, Arnold. This song, dear, it sounds like a demo. He can do better. Okay, so good evening. I'm James from Ablikuma. Please ask Brother Sammy the meaning of goddess. My goddess. Brother Sammy? My God is no be.
You say Yakupon the Dimibri. To become my God is the open.
Okay, so let me check this one out. This is the reason why we don't move on as Ghanaian music industry. We only do things to please our people. Okay, and let me check this one out. Okay, so Boza, it's a nice song. I like the vibe, Brother Sammy. We feel the vibe, no. And then this video talks about his blessings. This video talks about the blessings and not praise song. When it comes to sound production too, the beat is too loud and he has a piercing voice too, so it makes the whole music noisy, and it's coming from Sexy Man. Okay, so let me take this one. This sound is very cheap for his personality and what he's known for. Brother Sammy should try next time. Doris from Nungwa. Hey, Sister Doris. No. This is Nanaya from Takwa. I think most artists want to be a bit dynamic about their craft. Don't you think they just don't want to feel a bit boring with one particular style? Okay, I like that one. Let me take this one. My name is Somoa. Please kindly let Brother Sammy forget about his boza and give us more of his worship songs. Please, I like his music. All right, so you can keep your messages coming. Now, let's check the stats so far, how the video is faring, and you have it on the screen. Boza, it was uploaded on the 6th of March. It has 33,668 views. 1.3k likes and 210 comments. That's beautiful. I think quite impressive. And our brother Sammy is doing well. And you know, that's definitely 33,668 views so far. Christianist, is it impressive enough?
Looking at the 6th March.
6th March.
And today is 17th. 17 to 6, like 2 weeks.
Approximately.
Yeah. For the kind of community,
like 11 days.
Yeah, 11 days.
Yeah.
For the kind of community Brother Sammy belongs to, with the kind of noise, Cecelia, for the last 2 weeks, he's been gunning interviews here and there. I think that maybe if it might have been better if
it's
the video.
It's on the downside.
Yeah, it's a bit on the downside, Kaka, but I'm sure he has a lot of influence. I mean, Brother Sammy is well known across the globe now. He's becoming a household name.
Yes.
And so I'm sure that after this interview, it was also put. These are all part of the promotional things, and it will push him.
It's likely to push him.
That's the reason why we are forcing him to do a proper video.
I know
this one.
What do you think about the 33?
Yeah, with his pedigree, I would have been okay if we had 50,000 plus.
Okay.
Yeah, so there's more work to be done, and like you said, this is one of the platforms that would elevate the viewership. So
your rate.
For the video, I'll give it 40%.
40%.
Just audio 50%.
Audio 50, video 40. Okay. I think video 40, sound 50. Yeah, that's okay.
That's nice.
Yeah.
That's
90. What will be your rating?
Audio 35, video 40.
Okay, audio 35, video
85.
Yes. Brother Sammy, the Akusino, no, I mean, they've all touched on the video, they've touched on the audios as well. I hope we're good.
Oh, I'm very good. We are seven. Penifos will be no beach there. And I said, you want to flat. Yenny, I see a 2 young couple. Then there was a mass already on your day. Because a 10 year anybody be a circular for the other will. And to the first time, I'm about BBC. The workers and brothers are main concentrate worship in the Minyai and then grab a choir worship.
Okay.
Open the worship song, there'll be any live worship there.
Wow, the champion.
West Africa.
But with the permit me, Sammy, we present me bisa wankasa. We share a money, my body video away. We compare the is number of the various struggles. Our year my video no year come, but now the compare video we are try now. We wankasa so
video there. One hour job to say.
And so album no so 10. My worship.
Into when I bonus say.
But this is the so yeah, the best Obia first time will be Bimono or the Bisiandi.
Brother Sammy here first time.
Anyways, we have to go for a break here. Brother Sammy, thank you very much for coming. And Brother Sammy, your final words before I
come. Yeah, the final words. You know the Mopo Mumpo Noa na Odobono or them. Choreography. I saw them. No, I be used to come YouTube channel.
Talk to this camera for me.
The YouTube channel. No, I Brother Sammy Nation Worshipper. Brother Sammy, go and subscribe. And open all the guitar platforms so
right.
Audio Max, Apple, iTunes. But YouTube, no, I Brother Sammy, Nation Worshipper.
Nation Worshipper.
I go say the second day, no one yet. And I saw them Easter egg. And they say a choreography because I worship here. Or see a sa. The new way near this. Tsunami,
okay, so guys, we'll go for another break. When we return, we touch on the topic. We'll be talking music, the evolution of music back then and now. What differences are we seeing? What similarities are we seeing? What has the additions we've had in music done for our kind of music these days? This is still